Class, imagine a small family in a coastal village catching fish just to eat at home. Now imagine a large commercial ship with thousands of fish being sold to markets and hotels. Both are fish farming, but the purpose is very different. Today we'll study two types of fish farming: subsistence fish farming and commercial fish farming. Subsistence fish farming. Subsistence fish farming is when fish are caught mainly for the farmer's own consumption, not for sale. Main aim. The main aim is to provide food for the family, not to earn profit. Key features. Often family members are involved where they use traditional methods of fishing like line and rod, small nets, methods often learned from parents or elders. They use small wooden boats, they carry ice buckets to keep the fish fresh, they only go as far as 5 kilometers in the ocean, the output is low. Commercial fish farming. Commercial fish farming is when fish are reared or caught to sell in the market for profit. Key features. In this type of fishing, large diesel or electric ship or trawlers are used. The crew is highly trained professionals. They are trained in using modern methods of fishing like trawler nets and grenade fishing. They have deep freezers to keep the fish cold. The output is very high and they can go as far as 50 kilometers in the open ocean. What is trawler? It is a large ship that drags a large net behind which sweeps the ocean catching thousands of fish. But they are notorious for catching unwanted animals and they often destroy coral reefs which are important for marine life.